Well, you guys, we kind of had a thought maybe it was going to rain on us today and we were going to get sent home. That's the problem with assuming, you know. You're kind of like, all right, you know, kind of accepted it. You're going to maybe probably get sent home, no big deal. Kind of got the rest of the day planned out being home. Well, it's pretty cleared up around here, so we will be staying here all day, which is good because it's money. And that's what we hire out for, and that's why we're down in Colorado. If we didn't want to work and we didn't want to make money, we'd be home. We'd be in Wyoming or Idaho and just hanging out there. But we're here to make money, so the more work we can gather up, the better. But anyways, check out these mats these guys gave us. I mean, it just don't get no better than that. That is like the nicest working conditions ever. There's old Jakey's hooch. But that's just beautiful. They care about us. So right now we went and set that 24-inch, which we're pretty excited about because now it's giving us, I think it's opening up a bunch to do, but I'm not 110% sure about it. But anyways, we're gonna go outside, get unrolled, start warming the machines up, sign JSAs, and go from there. What up, we back. We're here. What up, we back. Feeling it, it's windy, we're miserable. That's why we are here, we love this too much. Yeah, man, we don't want to miss any part of this. So anyways, you guys, hey, we're getting a bunch of 2-inch knocked out today. I do have the lenses and everything I need coming for arc shots, which I am super freaking excited about, but it will not be on this video, so sorry about that. But anyways, you guys, it's all coming, and we're super excited about it. But yeah, this is going to be our process for 2-inch. We're just going to weld a bunch of 2-inch, and you guys can stay and watch and kind of pick up on little things, maybe our process and how it works, all right? So Daniel's going to be grinding and buffing, and I'll just be welding. So welding, fitting, and we'll make it happen. So I hope everybody enjoys it, and we'll talk to you here in just a little bit. Oh, I guess good intro.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the race.
I can feel the wind blowing into this hooch, and it just sits there rattling. Gotta keep it warm, it's feeling hot. Right.
Miss out on the good days. Breathe and we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we stop this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire.
Alright, you guys, so we got the print. Now this is an engineered print, so names are covered up. Everything is covered up on this print. But guys, when we look at the print, when I get something like this, now FW stands for field welds. So these two are going to be field welds, meaning do not weld that or that. Okay, so and then it says add 6 inches to these pucks. So in case everything isn't set quite right, we have 6 inches of play on both sides, all right? So when I get this print, the first thing I'm looking at is, all right, what are my overall lengths, which are gonna be down here?
And so then I add 6 inches to these two because that's what the print calls for. But then I'm looking for my rollout weld. So I know I can roll out my flange, I can roll out this 90, I can roll out my threadlet. And I just start kind of piecing this thing together. So I'm going to make 3 welds on that pup. I'm going to make 1 weld on this pup. And then I'm going to, that piece is too long, so that's a position weld. So I'm going to make that weld next. And then I'm going to get it all set up, level this threadlet, and put this on there, because that's only a 2-foot pup. So I can add a counterweight on here, do whatever, but that's a rollout as well. So everything is a rollout on this print, except for that weld and that weld. So, and if you really want to get crazy, you could probably roll them out, but we're not that crazy.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.